How do you build the boat builder boot? You begin at dawn. The instant the sun wins its battle with the night. You start with a strong, sturdy foundation, as if you're reaching down through the sand and stone to the very bedrock of New England. Then, add the essence of what surrounds you. Metal faded, rusted, and reborn in salt. Knots, coiling and uncoiling for generations. Leather, creased and worn from a life's work. And the inspiration to make a good idea real. Only then do you have what you need to go forward, bound for whatever adventure lies ahead. Roots, metal, knots, leather, inspiration. That is how you build a boat builder.